Most people searching for $1,000 instantly are already under pressure. Maybe it's rent, medical bills, car repairs, or an emergency expense that can't wait. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, very few apps will instantly approve $1,000 for brand new users. That's the biggest mistake people make before they even start. In this video, I'll show you the best apps to borrow $1,000 instantly, which platforms realistically offer higher limits, and how to improve your approval chances without wasting time on apps that will never approve you. Let's get straight into it. One of the strongest options right now is MoneyLion. MoneyLion has become one of the more flexible apps for larger advances because it combines cash advances with banking and credit building features. Let's say Alex receives stable direct deposits every 2 weeks and keeps a healthy account balance. Over time, MoneyLion may increase his eligibility for larger instant advances compared to basic payday apps. The biggest advantage is that users can gradually unlock higher limits through consistent account activity. But here's the problem. Most people expect instant approval for the full $1,000 on day one. In reality, many apps start lower and increase limits only after successful repayments. Another option worth considering is Sophie. Unlike smaller paycheck apps, Sophie offers personal loan options that can sometimes provide higher borrowing amounts faster for qualified users. For example, Jake needs $1,000 for urgent car repairs before starting a new job. If his income and account history are strong enough, Sophie may offer a more realistic path than standard cash advance apps. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some larger borrowing apps focus more on income stability than perfect credit scores. That means regular deposits and responsible banking behavior can matter more than people realize. Next is Earnin. Earnin is designed for paycheck advances rather than traditional loans, but some long-term users with higher income levels may qualify for larger early wage access amounts over time. This is where most people fail. They apply to 5 or 6 apps at once without checking eligibility requirements. Many platforms analyze account activity automatically, and repeated overdrafts or unstable balances can reduce approval odds immediately. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest strategy to maximize approval chances for higher instant borrowing amounts. Another important point is repayment timing. Borrowing $1,000 sounds helpful now, but large repayments can create major stress on your next paycheck if you don't plan ahead carefully. Here's the smartest approach. Use higher limit borrowing only for real emergencies or necessary expenses with a clear repayment plan. Avoid borrowing large amounts for non-essential spending because repayment pressure grows fast. So, the best apps to borrow $1,000 instantly in 2026 are MoneyLion, Sophie, and Earnin for qualified users with stable income and healthy account activity. The best option depends on your deposits, repayment history, and overall financial behavior. If this video helped you understand the reality behind larger instant borrowing apps, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which app gave you the highest approval amount so far.